Clean your piece of furniture inside and out with White Lightning. White Lightning is a powder-based cleaner dispersed into water. Slick Stick is an amazing gripping and bonding primer for your furniture. It allows you to paint over shiny wood, metal, glass, or any surface you would be worried your paint won't adhere to. Apply one even coat, wait 2 hours, apply your second coat. Wait 24 hours before painting. No paint gel stain is wiped on top of existing surfaces. You can put this right over top of your stained items. I like to apply it in the direction of the wood grain with an applicator pad. Once it's dry, you will need to apply a second coat to get your desired depth of color.